but I'll try to do a proper video next time very soon. You can see how long my hair is getting. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so happy, more than excited, you understand. So let me get my slippers on. I just woke up, so I just need to do one or two things. I'll probably share one or two things with you guys. How rough this place looks. Look at how rough my kids, you know, messed up the whole place this morning. And yeah, probably one of the most one of the reasons why I like to vlog, because of how the way my kids usually mess up the whole place. So this is actually my life in Bangladesh. Just to arrange all this and to arrange all this.